Welcome to the channel, man. Right now I'm gonna do a real quick video on how to remove this plenum. This is a 3.5 liter in a Dodge Charger. This plenum, man, everybody fights with this plenum, including me. That's right, I said it. I have a hard time getting it out. And you know you gotta get all the 10mm top bolts out, right? All right, man, here's me the other day, man. I had the camera rolling and I cannot believe how much trouble I had taking this plenum off. Now I'm gonna speed this up so we can get through this real quick, all right? And then I'm gonna show y'all a real good way to remove this plenum without damaging it. Because the last thing you wanna do is damage this plenum trying to take it off. Now, a couple of reasons you want this off is to do a tune-up, or you might wanna do some plug coils, or it doesn't matter, you gotta get it off. Look at this, I almost broke it. So then I went to plan B, man. And y'all know what plan B is, man? So first of all, let me stop this. Stop. All right, man. Plan B, man. Go get you a set of dikes. Now, right here. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get a set of dikes, right? Take this cover out. It's two clamps right here. 2 push pins right there. Take those off. Remove that, man. Up under that is 2 13mm bolts. It's 2 on each side. So what we need to do is simple, man. Remove these 13mm bolts. What you're trying to do is this brace. This is a brace that crosses over from one side or another to a car. You're going to create more clearance right there, removing that brace. Now, you don't have to remove it all the way. Just loosen it up, grab your pry bar, and kind of, pry it away from the plenum as much as possible. That's all you have to do, people. Do not break this intake plenum. Just pry up a little bit right there. And from there, there's a groove up underneath the plenum that you should be taking, that you should use to bypass the dipstick. So just pick up on it and look at this. Look how easy this is. I'm just showing you right now the groove for the dipstick. But once you get that, just pick up and voila. That's it, people. You don't have to break that plenum, man. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next video.